It seems a mystery to me why Sarcococcas are not more widely grown. At first glance, it's true, they don't set your heart racing, but they're handsome shrubs. They're reliable, easy to grow, rarely succumb to pests and diseases. But the best thing about them is their tiny little petalless flowers, which appear along the stems in the winter. These don't look like much, but the smell is deliciously sweet and strong. They're incredibly useful and versatile because they'll grow practically anywhere. They'll tolerate full sun, provided there's enough moisture. Partial shade is absolutely ideal, and they'll even tolerate full shade. They're ideal then for underplanting in a woodland area, or even the smaller leaved forms, such as humilis, is excellent as border edging in shadier areas. It makes a great alternative to buxus. They've got this beautiful lustrous foliage which gives you year-round form and structure. Two things I would suggest though when placing them is trying to avoid cold exposed positions where they're going to be susceptible to freezing wind, but do try and plant them near an entrance or doorway, because each time you pass them, you're going to be really pleased to have that beautiful perfume on a cold winter's day.